Hello there, this is lostfile, and just as you requested, I am going to do a video on camlistore, which camlistore is supposed to be like IPFS, I think, but the files you upload are encrypted or something, and there's like this SHA sort of file link instead of, I don't know, yeah. So, what do we do here? I will start the camlistore server in a moment. I should have started that before I started the video, but so there. Now we do yeah. Alright, hopefully nobody saw my public IP address when I did that. So basically, this is like a sort of a cloud system, you know? Like, I don't know, say if I wanted to upload some pictures. Alright, let's CD back into the camlistore. Alright, I want to upload my folder of pictures. So what we do is we do cam put, and then we do file, and then perma node, and then I'm gonna just go in my home directory here and just do. So we'll do that, and that'll upload all of my pictures in the picture folder up to my camlistore server, and it will store it as a perma node. So there we go. This will upload all my pictures. Give it a momento. And there it is. There are all of my pictures. Pay no attention to the clan bake photo. Just don't ask me why I have that on my hard drive. So, yep, as you can see, that these are all there. And if I wanted to do that, I'd do title, and then actually I think I'm doing the search right. I'm still trying to figure out how this works, but all I know is that if you wanted to make a perma node, you would then upload it like that. You can also like import like your tweets. Like say you have a Twitter account and you make a tweet, it'll import it into camlistore. So if someone deletes that tweet, you can see it on your camlistore server still. But the problem is I can't get the import to work no matter how much I try. I've tried and tried and tried, and I just can't seem to get the import features to work, or the import feeds to work. I haven't been able to get that to work properly, no matter how much I try. I mean, the feeds work, but I can't view the feeds. They're just files, so I'd have to download those feeds and open them up with my web browser, so it's kind of weird how it works. And I think you can also make like a new set. So say you have some files and you want it to be underneath a set or a particular set. for an example, you would do new set and then the name of the set, and then yeah. You can also set the properties of the perma node. So you can add these attributes and the attribute value of it if you wanted to. And I also think you can share files, but I think they're still sort of working on that, where you can share files with your friends and whatnot. But yeah, that's my review on camlistore. I think you can also do the publisher. I never really tried the publisher before. Wonder what that does. I gotta do some more read up on this before I go any further with camlistore. But I think what I do is I go here and I copy this and I do cam yet and then paste in order to oops, there's a space there. So that's a perm node, as you can see, and that's the information of the perm node. So let's see what else I can do with cam get. Help. Alright. If true, target but. Okay, verbose version. But nice to figure out how to download from these. I mean, if you can store it, you should be able to access it. Oh well. What is a scanning cabinet? Huh. Wonder what that does. Well, first, publisher. Let's try this mysterious little binary. Let's try camel deploy. That seems new. Mode. Okay. Deploy camlistore on Google Compute Engine. Alright, so if I wanted to, say, for an example, I don't know, use, Google API for this, I guess I could use that. Well, that's interesting. But that sort of completes my review of camlistore. I mean, I really should have looked up more about it before I started making a video on it, but As far as I know, it's like IPFS, but the files are encrypted and signed with a GPG key, and you can also import your tweets and other things too. So I am going to